Prepare your taste buds for a sweet adventure as we delve into the captivating history of fudge on National Nutty Fudge Day, celebrated on May 12th. Fudge's delightful yet somewhat unclear history adds to its allure. Today, we'll embark on a journey through the origins of fudge, its unexpected creation, and some record-breaking fudge feasts that will leave you craving a bite of this delectable treat. The history of fudge is tale-wrapped in sweet mystery. The word fudge means to put together clumsily or dishonestly and dates back to the late 1700s. However, fudge as we know it today has only been around since the late 1800s. One of the earliest records of fudge dates back to a letter written in 1886 by Emmeline Batsbury Hartridge, a Vassar College student in Poughkeepsie, New York. She mentioned her Baltimore cousin who had made fudge and sold it for 40 cents per pound. Intrigued, Hartridge obtained the recipe and in 1888 made 30 pounds of fudge for the Vassar College senior auction. But as per many stories, fudge is believed to have been created by accident. Legend has it that a batch of caramels went awry, resulting in a scrumptious new treat. This happy mistake opened the door to countless fudge enthusiasts who couldn't resist its rich, velvety texture and delectable taste. Over time, fudge recipes evolved to include various flavors and mix-ins such as nuts, fruits, and even spices. The addition of nuts like walnuts or pecans transformed this classic confection into the nutty fudge we celebrate today. Fudge shops began to pop up all over the United States, especially in tourist destinations. Visitors would take home boxes of freshly made fudge as souvenirs for family and friends. Today, you can find countless fudge flavors and combinations, from classic chocolate to unique gourmet options. Fudge has even made its way to the record books. The largest fudge ever produced was an incredible 5,760 pounds, over 2 tons, and was constructed in Ontario, Canada. It took over a week to create and used more than 300 gallons of condensed milk. Had nuts been added, this colossal creation would have tipped the scales at over 3 tons of nutty fudge goodness. Nutty Fudge Day is the perfect opportunity to try your hand at making homemade fudge. With countless recipes available online, you can create your own scrumptious treat to share with friends and family, or simply enjoy yourself. As we celebrate National Nutty Fudge Day on May 12th, take a moment to appreciate the intriguing history and mouth-watering goodness of this delectable dessert. Whether you're a fan of the classic chocolate fudge or prefer to indulge in the nutty variety, there's no denying the allure of this delicious treat. So treat yourself to a square or two and share your fudge experiences in the comments below. Happy National Nutty Fudge Day!